In this video, I will show you how to access the secret service menu on any Samsung Smart TV you have. Now mind you, it doesn't really matter the brand or type of Samsung Smart TV, this video is going to work perfectly well for you. And to achieve this, we'll be using a particular key combination on our remote control to access the secret service menu. And one thing you have to note is that depending on the model of Samsung Smart TV and the type of Samsung remote control you have, this key combination can differ. So for instance, over here I have two Samsung remote control, and as you can see over here we have the menu button, but there is actually no menu button on this particular Samsung remote control. They are both Samsung remote controls, but if you check very well, there is the info button over here, but there is no info button in this remote control. And that is why you have to keep in mind that depending on the remote control you have and the model of Samsung Smart TV you have, this key combination can differ. And just to help out everyone watching this particular video, I have dropped all of the different key combinations you can actually try out on your remote control, irrespective of the type or brand of Samsung Smart TV you have. Just go over to the description of this video, check out all of the different key combinations and try them on your Samsung remote control and see if it will open up the secret service menu on your Samsung Smart TV. Now for this particular model of Samsung Smart TV and this model of remote control I have over here, what you want to do is to just go ahead and turn off your Samsung Smart TV, and then you want to come over to your Samsung remote control and press the following key combinations simultaneously. You want to go ahead and press the info button, the menu button, the mute button and the power button simultaneously. So I'll go ahead and try that. The info button, the menu button, the mute button and the power button. Now this will automatically turn on your Samsung Smart TV showing the Tizen operating system logo. Then your Samsung Smart TV is going to come to this home page. Now also give it a few seconds and you're going to see the service menu over here on your Samsung Smart TV. Now you can literally see the service menu. And one thing you have to note is that if you do it and it does not work out for you, you just want to go ahead and try doing it again on your Samsung Smart TV. So just turn off the TV and then try pressing the key combination simultaneously as fast as you can on your Samsung Smart TV. Now trust me, after trying it 1 or 2 times, it might just work out for you. Now over here is the secret service menu and you can actually do a couple of things from here, and obviously this particular menu gives you access to a whole lot of things that you probably not find from the official menu on your Samsung Smart TV when you turn it on. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.